watching baby working in the kitchen. I got in late last night and I'ma move a little slow. I ain't waiting on nothing, I just got nowhere to go. And I need a haircut, I could take a shave, I could stand to hear my baby call me by my name. I put on a country station on that satellite radio. Yeah. I ain't waiting on nothing, I just love her so. Now I've been working, I've been gone for a couple weeks. Now I got nothing but time. The only thing that I'm worried about is keeping that woman right there in my reach. So I got a pocket full of money, shopping I wanna do. I had my sights set on a pair of white buck shoes, but another day ain't gonna hurt a thing, no baby. I ain't waiting on nobody, nobody waiting on me. Oh, I ain't waiting on nobody, no one